Hey English learners, so let me guess, you have learned a lot of vocabularies, but when it's time for you to speak, your words come all jumbled like yesterday movie I watched or watched movie I. Well, I'm not mocking you. I'm just trying to tell you that is the real problem is you haven't mastered the sentence structure yet. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to build English sentences just like stacking Lego blocks. And yeah, it's simple, it's beginner friendly, and yes, you'll be able to talk more clearly after this video. So let's dive in. Basic English sentence structure. So let's start with the foundation. Almost every sentence in English follows this golden rule. Subject plus verb plus object. Sounds basic, right? Well, that's the magic. Well, let's try to break it down. Subject is who is doing the action. Verb is what action they're doing. And object is who or what they're doing it to. Here's the example. I eat pizza. I is the subject, eat is the verb, and pizza is the object. Easy, right? Here's more example. She watches football. We are learning English. They love music. These are simple but powerful. These sentences make your message more clear and easy to understand. Add time, place, and manner. So now that you know the basic rules, so let's make more longer and natural sounding sentences by adding these three things. First is time, when, place, where, and manner, how. So let's see how it looks like. So the first sentence is I eat pizza every Friday. We are adding time here. She studies English at home. We are adding place here. They play music loudly. We are adding manner here. So let's try to add all of them all together. So the sentence would look like I drink coffee every morning at the cafe quietly. Well, here's a tip. You don't need to add all of them together every time. You can start simple and gradually build up, okay? Here's a bonus tip for you. Start with who does what, okay? And then add when, where, and how. Common sentence structure mistakes. Let's fix some of the most common mistakes I hear from English learners. Mistake 1. No subject. Sometimes they would write is raining, but it is raining, okay? English always needs a subject. Mistake number 2, wrong word order. For example, I go always to school. No, the correct one is I always go to school. Well, never put adverbs like usually or always before the verb. Mistake number 3, missing the verb forms. For example, he eat lunch. This is wrong. The correct one is he eats lunch. Never forget the S in the present tense for he, she, and it. Practice time. Make your own sentences. Okay, let's do a mini challenge. Pick 3 ideas and form a full sentences out them. Well, I'm gonna do mine and you do yours, okay? First one is drink coffee. I drink coffee every morning at the cafe. Watch YouTube. She watches YouTube videos every night at home. Learn English. They learn English slowly but every day. Well, you can do this too, okay? I believe. So what you should do is write your own routine with the structure. Yes, speak them out loud and write it down as I told you. And yes, your fluency will come super fast. And there you have it. English sentence structure made simple. No crazy grammar, no confusing rules, just a simple formula that works every time. Subject plus verb plus object plus time, place, and how. Well, if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And let me know in the comments what sentence did you build today. Remember, okay, grammar doesn't have to be scary. When you break it down step by step, you'll be able to speak English with confidence, even if you're just starting out. So, I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.